Hi guys, Sarah at Caddy Garage. Okay, so today is the final day. I have plenty of time to finish up what I need to do on our 60 flat top here. First of all, I'm going to start off with doing the front bumper, like what we've been talking about. I want to get all the light surface rust off and things like that with my SOS pads. So that's the first thing we're going to do, and then we're going to work back to the trunk. I need to get all the parts out that I discussed in my previous video, and like I said, I'm not going to let the parts go with the car because there's no motor. It's all engine stuff, and there's no motor with this one. So I'm going to keep it because I have many other 60s that I need to piece things together for. So, but I will still film the cleaning out process, and then we need to give the trunk a good vacuum and all that good stuff. So later today, I'll be taking a lot of still pictures of the car and then a very detailed walk around video because I will be listing the car for sale tonight. So for all of you who have been inquiring, tonight's the night. So anyway, guys, thank you for joining me. Let's get started. So just bringing you guys in a little bit closer to do our befores and afters here. This is the very light surface rust that I'm speaking of, not bad at all. And this is our SOS pad that I'm going to use in case you guys haven't seen my previous videos. I talk about them in all of my videos, so I'm sure you guys are probably sick of hearing about it. But these bumpers are in really, really good shape. I mean, obviously they're original, so no, they're not perfect, but all of that should come out when we get started here cleaning. But I mean, there's no solid or no rust holes through the chrome, so that's good. Just like I said, some light surface rust, and obviously you'll need new lenses. But other than that, pretty nice bumper. All right, guys, let's get started on the cleaning. All right, I will finish filming the final process in a minute after I go get some microfibers and dry this off. But as you can see, all the surface rust is gone. That turned out really, really nice. So let me dry it off here in a minute and I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay, so now we're going to continue our way to the rear bumper. I did one half of it the other day, and kind of only just a little quick job, so I need to finish the passenger side. But I didn't do anything on the driver's side, so you can see quite a difference. You can see the trim along the trunk, how nice it is on the passenger, and how yucky it still is on the driver. So that's where we're going to be next. Took a little bit of SOS here because they don't scratch, and clean up our original plate, make them nice and clean. All right, everybody, so as you can see, pile of engine parts, a lot of very important stuff there. I'm glad to have it. I'll clean up those hubcaps, put those back in here, but right now it is time for the vacuum. And an interesting find here, I need to pull this out, and it looks like to be an old fireman's cap. Pretty cool, right? Very vintage. Check these beauties out, you guys. I did not even clean these at all. Literally just sprayed them off with water and they're nearly perfect. I don't see any dents. I don't see any rust on them. Maybe a little dent right there on that one. But I mean, they just look fantastic. So that's really nice to have with the car as the original hubcaps. right, everybody, so here we have it. Nice clean trunk after all of that. So I'm going to get some really good detailed videos right now of the trunk since I will be listing the car for sale tonight. And then I'm going to start putting the seats in the trunk, or I should say the rear seat. The drive shafts out of the car and the hubcaps will be in the trunk as well. All right, everybody, so that wraps it up for me today on our 1960 Cadillac Flattop project car. We are completely done with it. Trunk is cleaned out. I just did a video of that for you guys. So I've got all those parts over there to go through and put away for my other 60s. And then I need to put the hood back on this car and get the seats loaded up in it, and the drive shaft, the hubcaps, the original license plates, everything that goes with this one. And I will be doing very detailed pictures tonight and also a walk around video before I list it. As always, guys, thank you for watching my videos and supporting my channel and rescuing all these old Cadillacs. Have a very blessed day, everybody. Take care. I'll see you next time.